These aren't just cool inventions. They're ones you'll actually want to use. Let's dive in. Meet Virgo, the AI-powered robot that delicately harvests ripe tomatoes, redefining modern agriculture. This stair-climbing robot wheelchair, the Skewo BRO, lets you roll over obstacles, literally and stylishly. These students built a fire extinguisher that blasts fast to snuff out flames. No chemicals, just sound. This 2,145 horsepower concept car transforms from grand tourer to pickup. Future meets utility. Meet Evobot, the self-balancing robot that mimics human motion to tackle tasks from warehouses to hospitals. This Sir Ron snowbike kit turns your electric motorcycle into a stealthy snow-shredding beast. Meet Colossus, the firefighting robot that braved the Notre Dame blaze, proving machines can be heroes too. This Danish robot fuels your car while you stay seated. Gas, electric, or even hydrogen, no problem. This wild hubless motorcycle runs on a Rolls-Royce airplane engine, because why not fly on the road? Turn your vehicle into a snow-crushing beast with Trek and Go, because winter can't stop wheels. Tech's moving fast. Don't get left behind. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the curve.